Okay, so for the next muscle we should be discussing, this is what is known as a Flexor Digitorum Profundus. Flexor Digitorum Profundus. So for this muscle, you could see where the muscle is. Alright, you can see the anterior, the medial side. So Flexor Digitorum Profundus, we said that it's a deep muscle in the anterior compartment of the forearm. It plays a major role in finger flexion. That's especially the distal fingers, because it is implanting in the distal phalanges. Alright. So anatomy overview is the origin is the upper 3/3 of the anterior and medial surface of the ulna. You can see it. Upper 3/3, that means it should originate from this whole place, and the interosseous membrane and the deep fascia of the forearm. Insertion is the palmar surface of the distal phalanges of digits 2 to 5. So innervation, the lateral part is the medial nerve via the anterior interosseous branch. The medial part is the ulnar nerve. Blood supplies all these arteries: ulnar artery, anterior interosseous artery, branches of the median artery. So what's the function? Primary function is flexes the distal interphalangeal joints of the fingers. Alright. Secondary action is what? Flexion of the proximal interphalangeal joint and the metacarpal phalangeal joints. Also aids wrist flexion, supports grip strength by working with lumbricals and other flexors. So clinical relevance, it can be involved in jersey finger, often affecting the ring finger. We'll talk about all this. Of course, that's why we are having briefings on the anatomy, because later we'll start talking about all this pathology. It will not be something new. We have the quadriga effect. Alright, we have the lumbrical plus finger, then we have the anterior interosseous nerve syndrome. Alright, so we'll get to talk about all of this, in our coming videos.